In today's video, I'll show you how to create custom icons right on your home screen using your Android 17 device, specifically on a Google Pixel phone. With the latest Android update, you can now design amazing AI-generated icon styles for your home screen, making your phone look completely unique. Let's jump right in. First, go to your home screen and press and hold on any empty space. Next, tap on Wallpaper and Style. Scroll down and select Icons. Here, you'll see a new option called Create. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you'll find several preset styles like Scribbles, Cookies, Easel, Treasure, Stardust. Choose any style you like. For this example, let's select Easel. Once selected, Android will preview how your icons will look with that style. You can also tweak things like colors and appearance to match your vibe. If you want to customize further, tap on the text or prompt section and describe the kind of icons you want. Tap Create Icons and system will use AI to generate a custom icon pack for you. After that, tap the Download button in the top right corner. Once the download is complete, the new icon style will appear in your Style section. Tap on it, then hit the right arrow icon, top right corner. Now go back to your home screen, and boom! Your new custom icons are live. That's how easy it is to create and apply AI-powered custom app icons on your Google Pixel home screen running Android 17. Just keep in mind, this feature may not be available on older Pixel models. And that's it for today's video.